Good morning, students. Yes. Good morning, students of Standard 3, and welcome to today's video. Today we will discuss about exercise 41 of the chapter division. Okay, division of a number. Okay, in exercise 41, you will be asked to divide the number by 10, 100, 1000, etc. and find out the quotient and the remainder. Okay, see student, suppose we have a number here, that is 72. Divide 72 by 10. Okay, what I will do is that 72, that means what? 72 divided by 10. This is the division sign. Okay, so divide 72 by 10. That is equal to what? That is equal to 10. In the table of 10, there is, we don't have 72, rather we have 70, right? So near about number of 72 is 70. I write 10 7 ja 70. Now doing subtracting, 2 is 770. 2 is smaller than the divisor 10, so 2 is taken as remainder, and the quotient is 7, right? Quotient is here 7. This is quotient and this is remainder, right? Similarly, we can do 1234. 1234 by 10. Okay, the same we do here also, but it will lead up to some step, right? That is 1234 divided by 10, right? This is 1 2 3 4 divided by 10. Here this is 2 digit, and here also we will look what 2 digit. 10 is here, there is 12, so I will take 10 1 ja 10. Okay, doing subtracting, this is 2. Okay, next it comes 3, right? This will nothing. Next 10 2 ja 20, right? Now after subtracting, 3 is left and another digit here come is 4, so that is 34. So 10 3 ja what? 30, and 4 is my remainder. Okay, now this is my quotient and this one is my remainder, right? So like this we can do. We can do also by doing the division by 100 also. Okay, suppose we have a number, shall I erase it? Okay, here divide 7060 by 100. Okay, how we will do? This is 7060 divided by 100. Yes or no? Yes. So do the same here also. I have no place, I am doing here 7060, okay, by 100. Consider this one, okay, by 100. Okay, now 100 into 7. 100 into 7 is what? 707. Because 100 is 3 digit, so here also we will take 3 digit number. Okay, now doing subtracting, 6 minus 0, 6, 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 7 is also 7. Now 6 is smaller than the 100, so 6 is our remainder and 7 is the quotient. Okay. Similarly, suppose we have 985 divided by 100. No big deal is there. I write 985 divided by 100. Okay. 109. Yeah, 900 by 85 minus 85 is my remainder because 85 is smaller than 100. This is my remainder and this is my quotient. In the exercise 41 also, same we are asked here. By seeing also, one can do 59 divided by 10. 10 5 is 50, right? 10 5 is 50. So quotient will be 5 and 9 will be the remainder because 9 will be left behind after complete division. Okay. Similarly, 10 7 is 70. 72 minus what? 72. Now again there it comes 2, right? So 22. 10 2 is 20. Okay. You are not getting. See, I must do it here. That is 72. 702 divided by 10. 10 7 is 70. Okay. Now this is 2. 7 minus 7 is 0. 2. 10 2 is 20. 2 is smaller than 10. So 72 is my quotient, hence 2 is the remainder. Right. Here also same things. This one, bit E. You can do is 59400 by 100. Take 3-digit number 100 into 5. 500. 4. And this is 9. Sorry, this is 0. Okay. 0. So 9. 94. And then now 0 will be coming here. So 100 into 9 is 900. Okay, this is 0 and this is 4. Left of the number, no need of it, right? 0 because it values nothing. Okay, now another 0 will come in here, becoming 100 into 4 is 400. Now this is what? Remainder is nothing. Remainder is nothing. That means remainder is 0. So we can write 594 is my quotient and remainder is 0. Okay. Similarly, divide question number 2. Dividing the following by 100. 700. Okay, by 10. This one is the question. Okay. Dividing the following numbers by 10. You can do it very easily. Okay. Finding this one I am doing. Okay, this one I am doing. 1662 divided by 10. 10 1 is 10. 6. Then 6 will be coming. 10 6 is 60. Okay. 6 2. Again 10 6 is 60. Now 2 is the remainder. Okay. You can write hence quotient equal to 166 and remainder is equal to 2. Okay. Similarly, by 100, like I told you, these questions you can do the same. Okay. This is the greater number. This one I am doing this one for you all. Okay. That is 56070 divided by 100. Okay. 105 is 500. Doing minus 0 6. Then 7. Okay. 106 is 600. 7 and then what? 0. So 70 is smaller than 100. 70 will be the remainder. This one is quotient and this one is remainder. In this way, students, you can solve the exercise 41. Okay. Next, we will move into the exercise 42, and that is also very easy. Let me tell you. Okay. Okay. Now about exercise 42. Okay. Exercise 42 explains division by two-digit number. Any number, any given number, that will be divided by two-digit number. Okay. Here I have written some questions, 1, 2, 3, 4 questions for you, and then you can move into the exercise 42, and you may find it to be easier for you for solving all these questions. Okay. Divide. I am solving question number 1, saying divide 127 by 15. So the solution will be like this. Solution 127 by what? 15, right? So divide it 127 by 15. Okay, like this we will divide. This is 15 and this is 12. Okay, 12 is smaller than 15. So here we will consider the all three digit number, all three. Okay, all three digits. Now in the tables of 15, in which table it is coming 127 or near about the number 127, any number near to the 127. Okay, that is 15. Okay, 7 5 ja 35, 7 1 ja 7 plus this is 105, right? 7 10, 15 7 ja 105 or 15 8 ja what? 8 5 ja 40, 8 1 ja 8 plus for 12. Right? So 15 9 will be what? Greater 135. Right? So here I will take 15 8 the 120. Right? And after subtracting, this is 7 0 0. So this will be the my quotient. This is my quotient, and this will be my remainder. Okay. Similarly, next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. That is question number 2. That is question number 2. That is 144 divided by 16. Okay. 144 divided by 16. So do it. 144 by 16. So 16, here 16 is also greater, and this is what? 14 is smaller. So here also we will consider the 3 digits. That is, consider 16 8 ja what? 8, and this one is 128. 16 9 ja this is 16 into 9. Okay, 16 into 9, that is 144, and the remainder becomes 0. Right? So here also you can write that hence quotient equal to 9, remainder is equal to 0. Right? And that is what all you want, all you need to write after doing the division. Okay? Question number 1, question number 2 completed. Question number 3, 891 divided by 12. 891 divided by 12, and that is, yes, it can be 12 7 ja. Okay, 4, and this is 8, 84. Okay, so this is 5 and 1. Next, 12 5 ja 60. So 12 4 ja. 12 4 ja is what? 48. Now this is equal to 3. 74 is my quotient, 3 is my remainder. Like this you need to write after doing the division, students. Remember. And this can be also be done. This one is very easy. 500 what 500 divided by 20. 22 ja 40. Okay, 0 sorry 0 1 0 3 digit. 25 ja 100 0. Okay, quotient is equal to 25. Remainder is equal to 0. This is all about your exercise 11, so exercise 41 and exercise 42. So your homework is SW is exercise 41 and what 42. Okay, thank you, see you in the next videos.